Instagram, Rick here from Futures Trading Coach. Here's the trades for Thursday, December 7th. We had an S&P long 2250 right here. Good day, traders. Welcome to the Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, May 9th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today, room, kind of choppy morning. It since took off to the upside during lunch, so we had a lot of trades after that for our mentoring students. But we did have chop. We did have a lot of trades. We had a lot of winning trades. They didn't go very far because the market was in a range, but we had 7 opportunities, 6 winners, and 1 break even or a small winner depending on when they got out of it. And I'm going to go through everything here real quick from left to right. Now, not everybody took this trade because this was a news trade, so that really count that one. But we went long in crude at 70.14, and I'm sorry, 71.14, and that one went up. The 15 ticks minimum that we set up to 29. That was a nice little trade there during the news. Then we had that was an understanding trade. Then we had a power play short 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. Central Standard Time made up to a couple points. Hit it again on an understanding trade at 8:42 Central Standard Time on the 8:42 candle at 26.77. Made another couple points. And then went long on an exhaustion trade at 10:03. 26.7250. That trade went up, hit all the targets, went up to 6 points. And then, of course, it just kept going. Now, I did tell people here, right when we closed the room, it's likely going to go higher. I didn't think it was going to go that much higher, but I said if you want to stick with the trade, go ahead. Gave a few upside targets, but as you'll see here, we got in down here, and officially, we want everybody to be flat when we close the room. However, I did tell people, if they want to stick with it, they can stick with it. I don't know what people took there. But it was just a beauty. 6 points before the room closed, and then just kept going. Never looked back. And then in the NQ, we were really looking for this short to get down here. We tried it here, made up to 12 ticks. That was a short on the NQ, and that was at 9 o'clock, and that trade made up to about 12 ticks. Then it came up, hit it again. And this time it was at 68.20. That was at 9:57 candle. And you'll see the trade made 40 plus ticks. And then this gold trade, we were looking at it over here. I told everybody we were looking to potentially try a short. If it didn't go in a reasonable amount of time, we'd have some big buyers come in. So we'd have to watch it. In fact, it did take 5-6 candles for it to trigger. So we got in over here. And literally the candle we got in on, it was early in the candle. I said, we got till the end of the candle. Wherever it's at, you either get out or, lock in profits, get into a free trade. Otherwise, if you want to stick with it, you're going to be, this is one of our add-on trades, and people don't really like to add necessarily all the time. And I said this, you may have to add if you stick with this. And, a few people did stick with it. Most people got out. But we did add, and we were able to get out when this came back down. Our average was right around here, 13.8. So we were able to get out. I told everybody when it came down there, just get out of the trade, make a tick, lose a tick, break even, whatever. And we also had news coming up as well, so we had to be out of that before the 9 o'clock candle closed. Small news report, but still. So that was our break even, make a couple tick, lose a couple tick trade, depending on if you got out up here or down here. And that was the day. A lot of trades, a lot of winners. Took them as far as we could. And we're going to come back tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the free trial. There's no credit card required, 10 trading days. And we'll see everybody back tomorrow.